guys, today we are back with another video. So today we are gonna throw the phone in the air to see if we can catch it. If you don't catch it, you get slapped. So let's get on with it. Yo, little bro, catch. See, both of us are catching it. See, I didn't catch it. It fell on my foot instead with the pointy edges. So now you little bro can slap me. Come. Ooh, that's hard. Okay, your turn. Ooh. You get us nothing again. Instead. Ooh. I can't catch. 3 slaps in a row. Don't. Wait, the cover went down. I'm missing every shot, dude. You're like Spider-Man, you catch. No. Yes. Now what? No. Ah! You're not slapping me again, brother. I got slapped 3 times in a row. Yeah! Yo, turn brother. Oh! Got him good. I have a bad feeling about it. If I miss,